Oh, what's going on, you guys? 801. We kind of put in a position already this morning. It's kind of going against us here, but I expect a little pullback. We're hopping straight into it this morning, 8 o'clock. Saw a good sell opportunity here to kind of keep moving to the downside. We need to form some type of wick here. Just going to be patient. If we break above these levels here, then I'll probably take a look and selling. But I'm going to hold these and see what we get here. We might get a push down. Trading my Topstep account. We passed our Topstep X account. We were waiting on those credentials. But we're seeing this push down right now. Got to be patient, see what happens. Who knows? We might break these lows down here. So we're going to see. We're moving into this next hourly candle. We just started the 8-hour candle here. It's looking pretty good. Oh, man. So let's see what happens here. We're up about $210 right now on a 2-lot. We're not going to really scale in. It's a Monday. Monday is normally my worst day, so I'm coming in this Monday, learning from my lessons, putting in small positions, and just seeing what we can pull out of the market. So I'm not trying to get too greedy on a Monday. We're going to wait and see here. Just going to be patient. We could have entered a little prematurely. We might be getting another push up, but we're going to see if this level holds. If not, then take a look to scale out here, maybe at 705 if it breaks that level, because then so yeah, what we're looking at here, looking for a continuation down. Now I'm taking a look here and seeing we might break these levels. So see, we got the next candle. Yeah, it's looking like we're getting some momentum up. So we're gonna just keep an eye out. I think we might break these levels. Honestly, we broke these lows, so we might get that push up. Yeah. So what we're gonna do here is gonna exit these positions here on this. We're just gonna exit these positions here. No big deal. So we're down $138 this morning. So I didn't like what it was doing, so we still got plenty of time until the market opens. So we're going to wait till market open to place any more trades. We don't want to be too hasty this morning. So we're going to just wait and be patient. It could keep going back down, and if it does, you know, I stuck to my plan. So happy about that. Don't want to get too crazy. Again, I'm really talking because I got to talk myself out of it sometimes, because sometimes I'm like, hey, we made the wrong move, but that's okay. It's okay. It happens. So I just don't like the price action so far. If you're taking a buy, I don't think there's much of a target for you um, in terms of like a stop loss. So we're just gonna see what's going on. Man, last week we finished really well on our trades. We were up about we had 4,000 in our Topstep X and then 2,500 in our Apex. So we finished pretty good for last week. Now we don't have too much news this week until Thursday or Friday, so we're gonna might be a little bit slower week. We don't know. We're gonna have to wait and see how the market plays out. Honestly, we had a quite a bull run, so I do expect some type of retracement. So we'll see. So I don't want to take any positions. Looking like we're actually getting that push down now. Maybe just entered a little bit too early, honestly. So either way, we still got quite a while until the market open, but took that little L. We're down to 138, 138 bucks, 140 bucks right now. Not really that big. It was a little heat check this morning. A little heat check. So I hate Mondays, honestly. So I don't even know why sometimes I trade Mondays. It's just tough to be in the market when it's trying to figure out. I feel like Monday is the initial balance, and then the rest of the week we're kind of feeling it out, seeing where we can go. Um, I'm gonna take some buys here, and then just have a small. I'm just gonna have a small stop loss. If I get stopped out here, we're gonna wait again until market open. See if we hold this level. Let's see if we can hold this level here. So I'm looking for a push up now. I feel like we're going to be testing these levels again. I think everybody might be tilting to the short side. I could be wrong. But I'm just going to see how we can hold this position almost till market open, because now we got into a good buy. I think people were tilting to the short side. So I saw an opportunity there to take a buy. Now I'm going to hold these. If we break the 698 level, if we come back down, I will sell. But this looks pretty good so far, so I'm going to keep holding. So we're getting a push up. We might break these previous highs that we had, so we'll see. Looking to target about the 713 level for take profit. So now we are up about $200. But we're going to still hold here. I think we still got room to play a little bit coming up here to this level up here. We might break these highs. So if we break these highs here, I probably will take one of my positions off and see if we can get up into this area up here. And See if we can get one more push up. Yeah, I want to see another green candle push up. Um, so, yeah, we're still continuing to push up here. We're still pushing up. We'll see what we do here. I'm going to add 2 here, and then hopefully we get another push up. So I'm looking for another push up here. I'm looking for the buys to come in. I want one more small push up. I want to push up. I want this little push up, and then we can sell some of our positions. Yeah, here we go. This is what I was looking for. Pushing up here. Maybe we break the 710s. Yeah, this is what I want to see. A push up here. So we're going to wait for this other push up. I'm going to sell into this pressure here. I got 2 positions open now. So I'm going to close my other position there. So we're up $250 right now. On one trade, we made 370, and the other we made 40. So in all, we've made $410 with what we gained there. We grossed 280 minus commissions, so we're up $254.32. So that's not a bad start to the Monday. I could have maybe held for that other push up, but what I feel like we're gonna have a retest down here, but could have waited for the 15-minute candle. Kind of got bullied out of that position. I feel like could have popped up a little bit higher, but I'm gonna take what I can. It's Monday. You got to take what you can and run. It's always that type of day. Plus, we're 15 minutes before market open, so we're up for the day so far. And here we're getting that push up. We got that new 15-minute candle opening. So let's see where this 15-minute candle goes. That's what I was waiting on. There we break the 710s. But we could even break the 14s now, going up to 713.49. I like what I'm seeing though. It's going to be very interesting to see what you can pull out of market open right now. If we take a look at the hourly chart here, take a look at the hourly chart. We had this big red candle here, and now we're getting this push up. We were very bullish all of, kind of last week, and we finished fairly bullish even though we closed with the sell-off. So right now we're riding this 100 EMA. If we see a break below this level down here, if we see a break here, we could be looking at some shorts. If not, we hold this level. Here we go, talking about that push. This could have been the move to the upside. Would have been a great hold. I should have held that trade. That would have been my, really one trade for today if I held on to that. But we can't be upset at that. So we have to just keep focused, see if we can get another opportunity. Now, could retest this level when market opens, or we can just continue to push up depending on where we come in here in the next about 13 minutes. So just gonna be patient. But it's looking good. Hope everybody's feeling great on this Monday. I'm feeling amazing. Went to the gym this morning, got my workout in, burned about 800 calories. And now we're here. Now we're breaking that 714. Man, this would have been a great position. Got that great entry down there. That would have been a great position. So, really great position. Could have made probably $700 on that one, but don't want to think about that. Got to think about the money that we're up. So 250 on a Monday is excellent. It's very excellent. Can't always have big trades. We finished NFP last Friday. Up, we made $2,100 on one account, and then $2,500 on another account. To pass both those challenges, normally that doesn't happen, and we were able to make that in like a minute. So got to be patient. You're not always going to have big days. You got to take the small winners as well. $200, $500 a day, still excellent. So you got to be just happy with that. So especially on a Monday, I feel like moving later into the week, we'll have really great opportunities where the volatility in the market structure is going to be a little bit better. This is an election year, so you have to really think that this is always a really good year for stocks. Why? Because when the president, whoever that may be, comes into the office, they want to make sure that America looks as amazing as possible. And how do you do that? Through the financial system. How is our markets looking? How's the job markets looking, right? So right now we're seeing an extreme bullish market because, again, it's an election year. We're trying to make everything seem really good so the president can step in there and do his thing. So last time we had some type of election like this, it was crazy. Super bullish, all-time highs, and we're here again. The market tends to repeat itself, and it's going to be interesting to see going closer to the end of the year how things happen and how the news is going to impact the market. So I'm not really a fundamental trader. I don't really pay attention to the news or things like that too much. I'm more of a technical analysis trader. Like, I believe the news is built into the charts already. So I don't get too much into that. But in an election year, I think it's super important to kind of pay attention to what's going on with the landscape, because things will move the markets in ways you might not understand technically, but fundamentally they would make sense. So, wow, this is a great push up here. So we breaking the 718s. Wow. This is wild. This is wild. So, okay. So let's see here. If we see a huge push up here, then we could be looking for a sell opportunity back going into market open. But I want to see a bullish. I want to see a bullish. But I'm going to wait till market opens. There's no reason we got to rush to trade right now. People are getting a little bit antsy, jumping the gun, thinking, hey, I got to take some buys. The market's not so keen on that. We did have a great push up there from the 700 levels. We took a buy at actually 700 even, and then went at 699.75. So sold them going into the 710s, which was great. There was still a little bit more room to move, but yeah, we're having this push up here, which is great. I think we might see a continuation with the long-term charts. It may look like a sell, but we did last night when we opened, we did have a kind of a wild ride at Sunday. You see here that we retested these lows here at 668. And then kind of just never came back. So I feel like this triple bottom. So I would like to see a continuation up, which is what we're doing. But then when market opens, I hope we get some type of pullback here. So I could maybe take some shorts, which would be great. Because you could take some shorts riding it to those lows. Sell some of your positions, hold it if possible. You know, you might get a little fake out to the bottom, and if not, take your profits and then run for the day. So let's see. But if we get this push before market open, let's say we do get this sell off before market open, it's kind of negate everything that I just said. I feel like if we get a huge sell off to those levels down there, then I'm just going to wait and see what happens. But if we get some type of push up before market open, I might consider taking a sell. But we will be entering a new zone, so we'll wait and see. It's going to be interesting to see what happens. But so this is great, seeing that push up. Yeah, this is crazy. So, we still got about 5 minutes until market open. So, but you don't want to come in on a Monday and blow your account. You don't want to. You don't want to be that guy that comes in and sizes up everything he's got on a Monday morning at market open. You want to take small positions. I'm taking 2 lots today. I normally like to trade anywhere between 3 and 5, but we're just going to take some 2 lots today. I did scale up in a position and made it 4 lots. That's because we were up in that position. So we took some profits, and it was a smart play. So, but we're going to be patient, because now here the market, 5 minutes before we get this 5-minute candle, is when slippage starts to happen. Things in the market go a little bit sideways. So let's see. Looking good. So here we go. We're getting this little push down. Still, it reached a little zone there, so we'll see. We'll see. I want to keep seeing a push up. I want to see a push up because I want to sell this when the market opens. So keep pushing up. Don't sell off on me. Don't sell off on me, NQ. Don't do it. I'm trying to ride the wave. My boys, don't do it. Push up for me. Push up. Where are the buyers? Come in. Okay, this is what we need to see. We need to see a little push up. Why I want to see a push up if I'm going to take a sell, you're probably asking yourself, because you want to sell into resistance and buy at support, right? So if I'm taking a sell while everybody else is buying and that slowly starts to teeter the other way, you can see where my position comes in. Reverse it, right? If I'm taking a sell and it keeps going down, then I'm kind of stuck in sometimes a bad position because then I'm hoping it just keeps going down and down instead of flipping the other way. So you want to find those levels where you feel like it's a good time to buy or sell when it's looking like the other direction. That's almost why you want to do the opposite. But you have to be smart about it. You have to be, you have to do your research, make sure you know your levels. But I love this push up because if we break these highs, don't sell off on me, NQ. Don't you do it. We got 2 minutes left, okay? 2 minutes. And then so perfect. This is what we want to see. Break these highs. Let's go. Oh, yeah. But this is perfect. This is what we want to see. I mean, personally for me, this is what I wanted. And if I'm wrong on this trade, no problem. I'll take the L. So, yeah, this is... Whew. This is way more than I expected. So, the buy positions would have been a little juicy right now. So... We got 1 minute left. Oh, so we're still continuing to get that push up, which is great. We want to see the continuation moving up. I'm going to take these sells right now before we get... Oh, I got a bad position there. Well... We're going to take what we can. We're going to get market open here shortly. So we're going to take what we can. Oh, okay. Okay. Chill. Yeah. Could have taken my things there. Was hoping we get another push down. So I'm gonna take that there. That was good. I'm gonna wait. Now I'm just gonna wait. So there was flip flopping too much there, and now we could be looking for liquidity. So now is the importance of being patient. Being patient. So I'm up $555 on this account right now on a Monday, which is great. That's 1%. Which is what I want to get in a day, 1 to 2% in a day. So now I'm in no rush at all. So now I'm just gonna let it trade out. I like to wait 5 minutes before any other trade, just so you don't really hop. You don't want to be a fish, a flip flopper, whatever. I don't even know if that even makes sense. I just kind of, it's Monday. Give me a break. So, we're just gonna be patient because I wanted to push down, which is what we got. We got that push down. I closed out on that wick, that one initial last push there, and now we're moving up. But I would have liked to seen more of a push down. So we're gonna wait because we could hit that 734 level, which is, again, this is that range, right? So as you can see with the markets, people are getting destroyed right now. So destroyed. So that's why we didn't size up. We only took 2 lots on that one. We're just super patient. So yeah, now we're taking that push up, 230. Yep. And we might hit that 236 level. No, we might have to hit that 236 level. So yeah, again, just patience, patience. We're gonna take some shorts because I feel like, yeah, I feel like I'm gonna take some shorts here. Oh no, well, yep. So we're gonna wait for this little pullback here. We don't want to see this. We don't want to see this. This is not what we want to see. No, we don't. We don't want to see this. We don't want to see this. As soon as we get into some profit here, we're closing, boys. We're closing, boys. I'm telling you. Once we see a little bit of profit. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This is not good. This is not good for us. Not good for us. But hey. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna stay positive here, but we are flipping to this side. Um, I just want to see this push down, break. So, yeah, so listen, we were down a little bit. We're just going to hold this for a second because I'm just going to stay patient because, again, Now we could be tilting to the upside, which is where everybody wants to go, but I feel like we need to go a little bit lower here. Be patient, be patient. Damn, I could have gotten out there. Well, that sucks. So we're just gonna be patient. Again, we're getting that push down. So we're just gonna be patient. I gotta be patient here. So we're gonna see this push. So this is that second push down that I was talking about. Being patient. So we're up $2,000. So sorry to be quiet there for a second. I was just getting in that zone. That's what we were looking for. So we're up after commissions $1,994.36. So that's it for me. That was great. Yeah, that was a great trade. Sorry, I'm a little um just that was a lot. That was that was a big candle, boys. That was a big candle to the downside. So you saw that live. You also see me explain why I took those trades, why I didn't get scared when you saw that account balance go like, I don't know, negative 1,300, negative 1,400, right? I just, I just, when everybody is going long, plus we hit our levels here. So as you can see, we hit that 34 level. We were in this zone here, up here. These wicks, I mean, these are like perfect wicks. If you taking a look at these, like this is what you want to see right here. So here, this is a perfect time to sell. So we did take another push up, but I knew that we had to come back just a little bit more to then to then move up. I ultimately feel like we will be bullish, but we needed a push back from the market. There was 70% of the market was long, which 70% of the market was looking to make money going up. And what was I just saying earlier is that when everybody's looking to go up, that's when you start taking your sells, okay? Because two reasons for that. The people that are taking the longs and they're up in profit, they're selling to get their profit. But then you get just a better price, right? So selling into price like that, I entered prematurely, but I knew where I needed to be stopped out at, right? I knew where my level was to be like, hey, this is where I need to get out. And I was like, okay, if we don't break these levels, then we're getting a push down. So now everybody is short, right? Now everybody's shorting the market. People that were buying the market are selling their positions because, hey, we basically just erased the whole hour um from about 7:30 to now. We've basically erased the whole hours in just a couple candles worth. So you can expect this maybe to keep pushing down, break these lows at 692. Why did I get out when I did? Because it's a Monday, and I told you got to take what you can and run. Right? So 10 minutes into market open at 8:30, you could have taken that one trade, and that you still would have been done for the day, right? I took some pre-market, was able to get some cushion. My first trade, I did lose $138. My second one, I was up that $400, and now we took one there, and that position we're up. We actually closed that one. That last one I had, let's see, I had a 5 lot open on that one. So if I do the math here, total on that last one was $1,460 was that trade, was how much. So great, great, great. As you can see there, $2,050 total gross for today, profit trades, and then losing trades. We did lose one trade for $130. That was a pretty long trade too. That was almost 4 minutes. That was about a 4 or 5 minute trade. So yeah, overall, great. This market is now slowly breaking those lows. You could have made all your money here, folks. So honestly, that's it for me today. You guys saw it here live. I don't want to sit in front of the trades too much longer, because then I get tempted and I think, okay, maybe I could make $3,000 for today. But we're not doing that. We're walking away when we're up and calling it a day. This is Money Monday, right? So if you didn't see the notification, it was Money Monday. This is the start to the successful week. So thanks for tuning in with me today. Got some videos coming out soon. Check out the website if you guys are looking for some extra guidance. I'm coming out with an ebook shortly, maybe within the next couple weeks, to help you guys learn the basics of stocks and things like that. I don't know if I'm going to do it for free, give it out for $1. I feel like people that get free stuff don't really use it that well, right? People take advantage of it because it's free. Like, even if I might sell it for $1, like everybody's got $1. If you ain't got $1, then we got other things we got to talk about. So I'm going to be looking out for the ebook on this week, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow's Turn Up Tuesday. So we're going to close the books on a Monday, and dude, I'm super happy. So this is one of the better Mondays that I've had. That's probably why I trade every day. It's really not about the day. It's about the trading opportunity. Like, do you see a good setup? I saw a great setup. All the technicals and everything were aligning, and I had to take my trade, and I had to trust my analysis. So I could have exited and lost $1,300 and been like, oh, boo-hoo. But we stuck to our rules. We held our trade. We were disciplined, and we took what we could get, and that's that. So the market can do whatever it wants right now. I don't care. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. Turn Up Tuesday.